All right, Tesla Cyberwhistle came in an envelope, and inside the envelope was this plastic bag with this black box. So we have the Tesla Cyberwhistle, got a nice Tesla logo there, Tesla lettering, Tesla over here, and Cyberwhistle, made in China with a barcode, quantity 1, Cyberwhistle, made on Earth by humans. So that's pretty cool. And we're kind of out of focus here, so let's get that back in. All right, so open her up, and we've got this foam on the inside, looked like a small indentation. Here it is in all its glory. Got the Cyberwhistle. That is really shiny. Let's pull that out. Man, that feels substantial. That weight is quite substantial. So here I presume that's where you put a string to hang it. So you'd hang from this portion and then I guess flip it over to blow in or grab it that way. Here we go. Cool, let's try this out. Ooh, that is ear piercing. That will get someone's attention. All right, this is really weighty. I like this. Let's put that back there. Yeah, so here it is. Tesla Cyberwhistle. That was really cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you get yours. All right. Peace.